morning. How are you? Huh?
Hungry.
You eat, huh?
No, I buy McDonald's. Did you eat your breakfast already?
Yeah, I already ate. Thank you.
Nice weather today, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
And next time I won't buy oil in auto soon.
It's too expensive, huh?
Too expensive. Too much too expensive. Auto soon is near in my house.
Oh, that's the reason you wanted to get it there, because it's just close, huh? Aircon, it's good?
It's okay.
Yeah, that's good.
So far, okay.
Remember you had a problem?
Yeah, this one, I think the hose, if something's wrong, she will change this one.
Oh, it could be leaking, huh?
Yeah.
I bet it is leaking.
No,
Look,
it's not leaking.
It's wet.
Yeah, but it's not leaking.
Practically,
I told
you
him,
change everything.
goddamn, every time I come here, there's a problem. We changed everything and then now there's a problem. Don't tell me there's a problem again. Yeah.
So how's everything, huh?
Okay. And the filter in auto is too I told no, I won't take this one anymore. Oh, when she passed the
So how much already? $70 that one?
everything's yeah, it's almost $80. God damn. It's cheaper in Walmart. God damn, that store is too expensive. Imagine in Walmart, you know how much this?
Yeah, how much?
It's only $22. This big one.
Oh yeah, $22.88. I remember, right?
In AutoZone is $36.
Yeah.
And this one is $9. So you put a new.
You see it? That's the awning, yeah.
Huh?
Awning. Goes up maybe 6 feet.
How
Well,
much
it's good enough.
How much you worth that?
In Amazon,
Mm-hmm.
it's pretty good. I mean, I use it.
Amazon is cheaper, huh?
Huh?
Amazon is
Oh
cheaper.
yeah, way cheaper. I'm thinking of getting another one. Put it over here, but
Oh, it's
maybe.
nice, huh?
See? Good, huh? So how's your camera? Still good? Huh?
I mean, no, I retired.
It's not good? Why? What's it doing?
It's hard because you have to buy a long extension cord.
How much was it?
$189.
Man, yeah.
I retired to Costco.
So I was wondering, I was looking inside, where's it? Where did it go?
Yeah.
I remember. It wasn't too hard, it's just a hassle, right? Just a hassle putting it on. Do you order in Amazon? You order?
No, not yet.
But $99 a year and free shipping? I always order.
Huh? Something I noticed when I go under the car,
Yeah.
when I get up, I feel dizzy.
Oh yeah, that's not good. Alright, so this is it.
It's
right
not
here.
hard to change all this car.
Why? How come you wanna sell it?
13 millimeter.
Yeah, 13 millimeter, you're right.
There.
Yeah.
I don't know how come 9 watts this she will hold the
Drain plug.
oh, magnetic, huh?
Yes, magnetic. Whoops.
Oh, that's too strong magnetic.
It's very strong, but it's worth it.
Oh, that's good.
There we go.
That's $20 or $30.
Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dang it. Well, that's the only problem with this, huh? When it comes out, it will hit the subframe. The oil.
But then I don't have a problem because I open it liquid by liquid.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
I don't open it right away because it will splash. Oh, it splashed.
It splashed all over me. Dang it. That's a lot of oil.
Yeah. Oh, that's good, huh?
That's a gasket here.
Now what is that? That $20?
This one, $12, I think.
What do you call that? A magnetic?
Yes.
That's good, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, that's the original, the washers.
It's a copper washer. There we go.
Okay.
Tighten it up.
So tomorrow you're gonna fix another car? Oh, what? This is for the truck, huh?
Yeah, that's the rear differential.
What you fixed yesterday, Toyota?
Chevy Suburban.
So how's your other car?
Which one? The Camry?
Toyota?
The Toyota Camry?
Yeah.
The van is good.
Yeah, I know.
The van is very good. Toyota Camry, it's already 205,000 miles.
Oh, you have to take that road.
Yeah, as long as you got oil, you're good. A lot of people, they don't understand that. Right?
But the one thing, the one that's always lighting, the ignition key for the one I'm telling you. How come this tire is big than the other side? You see?
Is it?
Yeah, you see the other side.
No, it's the same.
Huh?
It's the same. It's the angle.
What's that? League one?
Huh?
You want to spray?
The brake cleaner. I know. That's a lot of oil.
Uh-huh.
Alright, looks good. Back this up. Let it down. Put oil.
No.
Not that much.
Oh, it's not the same. You see, this one is.
Because it's still hot, man.
Yeah.
Huh. It's still hot.
Oh, you got the fixed it engine, huh?
Yeah, you noticed that, huh? You noticed that, right? There's only one shirt I have. You like that, huh? Well, that's hot. In front, you watch, learn, wrench, repeat. I have something for that.
kasi si Tony ito. Namumusta lang ako. Maybe not in the house yet. Auntie. Kumusta? Kamusta ka?
Just to say hi or what?
Yeah. It's not too hot.
Oh yeah, it's not too hot.
I told the guy, are you sure this is the right filter?
You have to
That
tell
says
him,
in the computer.
right?
That's the number. I told him my house is too far from AutoZone. The other day, she's look like mean.
He looks
guy.
like he's mean. Oh.
Yeah. If you ask something, you can see his face. No good. Fucking shit. In your commercial, the
Yeah.
employee of AutoZone, they are good.
Yeah.
Shit.
So that's like false advertisement.
Yeah. When you ask something, your face is not ugly. Ugly face. Yeah, like McDonald's. Your commercial is good, but when you order something, it's no good.
Sometimes they get the order wrong. Huh? They get
Yeah.
the order wrong.
Yeah.
The order is wrong.
When you ask something a nice coffee, they're not good.
I know.
So how's the kid?
Oh yeah, they're all at school now.
Uh-huh.
The youngest one is at school. So that's good, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my grandson and my granddaughter. My grandson is going to prep, 5 years old, and the 3 years old. She always go in a daycare center.
That's good.
Same one.
Oh yeah, it's just different color, you know.
Yeah, it's red.
It's red.
I always change the carburetor when I change oil. It's not hard to change oil the car. It's easy.
Yeah, it's not that hard, you know. It's not that hard.
Oh, you have a plastic cover for the plate? This one?
Oh yeah, you could have that.
You buy that?
No, I got it when I work at Toyota before.
Oh,
You want to keep it? Yeah.
It will fit in the back.
Yeah. You want it?
Oh, it fits at the back, yeah.
Okay, we'll put it on.
But I will take out the other one, the Golf. Ay, tomorrow is Thursday. Christmas time again, huh?
Yeah, quick, huh? Yeah, you know, over here it goes by fast,
Uh-huh.
right? It goes by fast in the States. Because it's fast life, I think.
Yep.
Huh? Right?
But in the Philippines, the people there's no problem even they don't have money.
They're happy, huh?
Right, Tito, are you coming Christmas
Yeah.
time? I don't know. There's a trademark there, the red one.
The red one, just follow it, right?
Yeah, that's the way I do. Oh, this is nice, huh? Different sizes, huh?
Oh yeah.
You bought this auto,
There, that's good. I ordered this long time ago. It's a good one. See
Yeah.
this? Mac Tools.
oh, Mac Tools, yeah.
It's very good. This
Mac Tools and what's that? Snap-on.
Snap on, yeah. It's very good. It's just expensive, you know. All right, we'll put oil, then we'll put the cover. Take 9. Are you sure? Put all 9.
Yeah. You put 8.
Put 8 first, then we start it, then we check
Yeah.
again.
For the left.
Which one? Which one? What are you
The
talking
window. The one's not working.
Okay, I
Do you
remember. It was the passenger back.
Yeah,
Passenger side.
that's why the other one.
The other one's broken now?
No,
Oh, okay.
every time there's I have a passenger, please don't open this. Something's wrong.
Right?
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
What's better, mobile one or a bulbo line?
I don't know. I always use mobile
But
one.
I
always use
in the
mobile
racing car, they're using lots of bulbo line
Yeah.
or mobile one.
one. Yeah. It depends, you know. Everybody has their preference.
Good morning, ma'am. Oh, sige. Okay.
Start up.
The key is there.
So I only put 8.
Yeah. How we can measure this one?
Okay, so it's right here.
Oh,
No, this one, the oil. One more quart. Usually you put 9, yeah?
yeah. Maybe half.
Half, okay, yeah.
Yeah, half only.
Okay, gonna close it now.
Yeah. No.
Remember the license plate?
Oh,
You can have that.
yeah.
Wanna put it on now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm tired already. Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, you drive safe, huh?
Okay, you too.
Okay. Tito Tony, take
Yeah,
care.
yeah.
Nice seeing you again.
Next time,